Unpopular opinion, I actually quite like Nicki Minaj's new album. Hi guys, it's Shaw here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, this is weird because I've not really done a video like this before. It's going to be like a little diary of moving, because I'm moving house at the end of the week, temporarily to my friend's house for 2 weeks, whilst my new apartment is, they've got to like clean it and stuff like that, and then I can have the keys, and then I can move in. So temporarily moving to my friend's for 2 weeks. And which is very, very nice of Joanne. Thank you, Joanne. So basically I have my bedroom here. This is like the messiest you will ever see it. This is the bed right now. This is the wardrobe. And this is the floordrobe. A lot of you guys were quite angry in my last like closet clear out video because I want to do this minimal wardrobe thing, but I didn't actually start it in that video. But I said in the video, like, this is the idea that I want to do. So I will be doing it. I always think I'm covering the microphone. I'm also wearing this Ariana Grande t-shirt that I got from Time Warp Tees. I will leave a link in the description below. I got like 50 messages on Instagram being like, where is this t-shirt from? I was like, whoa, I didn't know everyone was an Ariana Grande fan. Also, I look a state. I look terrible. I had a terrible night's sleep, kept waking up every hour on the hour. I love my sneaker boxes, but they've gotten so dirty. I haven't really cleaned them, to be honest, but and they've gone like, they're kind of discoloured. You can't really tell on the camera, but they sort of have. I'm just wondering like the best way to transport these. I'm taking all the shoes out of them at the moment. I've not seen this corner of my room in so long. It feels so odd to look at that. I think I need to get bubble wrap to transport those plastic sneaker boxes. I also think I'm going to put my sneakers inside them. I also think I'm going to get rid of some sneakers as well, but I also think that this week will be a good week to film like a sneaker collection video before I get rid of it. Because I'm just trying to move with like as little things as possible, because I don't wear all of them all the time, so it doesn't make sense to keep them. Guys, so this box, it's always at the top of my outfit pictures in my mirror. I just looked in it, I've not looked in it in ages, and it's all my old Invisalign trays for my teeth. So like, they were in my teeth for like 2 weeks each, and there's like loads of them in here. It's really gross. Old Instax camera. I think I'll hang on to that. I don't actually like underbed storage. Like, yeah, it's handy and convenient, but it just encourages me to keep like a load of crap that I don't even need or use, just like under my bed gathering dust. So there's a lot of these clothes that I'm going to be putting on e-bloggers, and then I don't know what I'm going to do with all this stuff. Random stuff, like a penguin wearing a Hawaiian shirt. What? Okay, under the bed is empty, and this is the current state of my room and what's left over. And then if we go into the lounge, this is stuff that I need to pack. There's like winter coats and stuff. These are shoe boxes, the clear boxes, and this is stuff that I want to sell on e-bloggers. Okay, end of day one, and this is what things are looking like. Do you know what? Packing has actually been really helpful this weekend because I've not been in the best of moods. Not felt great, so packing has been really nice to just take my mind off everything. This is like my suitcases that have clothes in. I need to fill the other ones up. And then this is what we're going to be doing with the shoes. So the shoes are in the plastic boxes, but they're going to be going in like bag for life. I don't know what you call it, reusable bags. So I just need to get more bags. Because right now all that's left is kind of the stuff that's in my wardrobe. I've kind of done the bulk of it, because the bulk of it was like, I didn't know what was under my bed. So that was under my bed. Hey guys, moving day two, or packing day two. I'm gonna fill you in what I've done this morning, but then I'm gonna take a break because I'm going for dim sum with my friends, which I'm very, very excited about. I've not had dim sum in ages. So my room still looks like this. I'm wearing my Balenciaga arm sweatshirt, what I've not worn in a very long time. I'm gonna sell my Balenciaga sneakers and my Saint Laurent Wyatt boots. Wow. The fun part comes later when I go through all of this to see what else I'm gonna sell and what else I'm gonna keep, because I really want to get my wardrobe down concisely to like a few pairs of pants and like a selection of tops and shirts and jackets, and then that's it. I'm back after a glorious dim sum and now feeling like I have a food baby. It's a girl. I'm gonna sit down and go through all of these clothes. There's a way you hate me, hate me, hate me, hate me. Yeah, it makes me, makes me, makes me, makes me really want ya. Cardi shush. So, bedroom as it stands is clear under there. Well, piles of clothes that I have to sort out. That is going to be in my wardrobe. Cut down my jackets and my shirts to like my core essential kind of pieces. I've organized all this stuff. So this is my sneaker boxes, my duvets, a lot of like little bits and bobs inside the suitcases. I've still got space in 2 of the cases, winter coats from one of them, and like jumpers and stuff, toiletries, and then this is stuff that I'm gonna sell. So I'm gonna be selling Adidas sneakers, a pair of my Yeezys, Balenciagas, and my Saint Laurent Wyatt boots. Also, I did a poll on Instagram that was whether I should sell my Louis Vuitton phone case, and most of it said yes, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna sell it because I don't actually wear it that much. It's super expensive. Oh, super expensive, and I think it could have a better home, so I'm gonna do it. Hey guys, continuing the moving diary, and okay, this is my room today. So we're noticing less clothes on the floor. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Ugh. Gross. So I'm whittling down my wardrobe slowly. We obviously have some pieces that I just can't get rid of, but I am having a bit of a problem with my like summer shirts and stuff, because I do love them and I want to keep them for like nights out or whatever, but I just feel like some aren't gonna be in my wardrobe for that long. It's kind of where we're at the moment. I've been to the gym this morning. I'm going to get my hair cut later and sign the tenancy thing for my new apartment, which is exciting. What I've thought is that I'm gonna have like a core wardrobe of like trousers, t-shirts, jackets and shirts that are my like staple pieces, and then in my new place I'm gonna have like another rail that is like seasonal or kind of pieces that I can swap and change depending on the time of year. So yeah, seasonal. Well, really I don't have tomorrow because Friday I'm actually really, really busy, so yeah. But I can't wait to get a haircut. My hair is so long. I've got like, the sides just aren't even short anymore. Like, I feel like I could plait it. Good morning! I haven't lost track of the days. I don't even know what day it is for this vlog anymore. But my bedroom is currently looking like this. Taking my bedding off, doing the washing. That's some bags that I need to put in a bag. My wardrobe is whittled down to what's going in a suitcase. Toiletries, bin. Emptied my drawers. This was full of toiletries, but that's just my hairdryer and straighteners. This is all my stuff as of now. But my friend Danielle is bringing bags for these shoe boxes. My sneaker collection video went up yesterday, and I'm now definitely selling my Alexander McQueen sneakers, my Wyatt boots, my Louis Vuitton phone case, this Balenciaga wallet, like some Gucci shirts and stuff. So yeah, there's a lot going to be going up on e-bloggers. Moving is just so stressful. Like, I've got too much stuff, and I've got rid of loads of stuff, and I still want to get rid of more stuff. So it's just very, very stressful. I've got to run a few errands now, come back, like fully finish packing. I really want to take some selfies in my bedroom before I go as well, because I move out tomorrow, and this flat has meant so much to me over the past 3 years, especially like my bedroom and stuff. So emotional times, guys. I've got a lunch event with Boohoo Man today as well, which I'm pretty excited about, and then come back tonight and just fully pack because the van guy's coming tomorrow. Also, Choice Van Bloom came out today. Loving it. Cause you're safe like springtime, short days, long nights, boy. Tell me all the ways to love you. Hey guys, it's moving day and I currently have all my stuff outside, ready to go. The van is late though, like an hour late right now. So, not annoyed, not at all. The sun is like right on me, making me look super pale. Scott is watching Good Girls. Hey gang, so this is the halfway house. I'm at Joanne and Ross's house. They're my really good friends. I'm in their spare bedroom at the moment. I've tried to make it a little bit my own, but obviously I have a lot of crap and don't want to store everything because I'm basically moving again in a couple of days. 2 weeks time, but I'm going to Ibiza in the middle, so it's just, yeah, I may as well just live out of boxes for a while. I've put my shoe boxes up there. I've got my big mirror. They've got their own IKEA kind of mirror too. It's my little bed setup. That was their bedding, but I prefer my bedding. Bit of princess. How funny is this guy breaking into the Supreme sign off the store in London? They're trying to find out who he is. So if you know who he is, let us know.
Take me to anywhere you want, 'cause you say